Ready to ditch the generic and design a unique plaid that screams you? Let's jump into Photoshop and create a custom plaid pattern from scratch. First, create a new document. Keep it small and square. I'm using 200 by 200 pixels with an RGB color mode. This will be our tile. Next, activate your rulers by pressing Ctrl or CMDR on a Mac. Drag horizontal and vertical guides from the rulers to the exact center of your canvas. This divides your tile into quadrants. Choose a foreground color, then, using the rectangular marquee tool, draw a rectangle that fills the top half of your canvas. Snapping to your guides, fill this selection with your chosen color by pressing Alt Backspace or Option Delete on Mac. Now, pick another color. Draw another rectangle that fills the left half of the canvas. Again, snapping to the guides, fill this with your new color. You should now have two differently colored quadrants. Go to Edit, then select Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name and click OK. Create a new, larger document for your design project. This could be any size you need. Double-click on your background layer to open the Layer Style window. Choose Pattern Overlay. Click the Pattern drop-down and select the plaid you just created. Adjust the scale slider until your plaid looks just right. You can also experiment with blending modes and opacity for different effects. That's it. You've created a custom plaid pattern in Photoshop. Experiment with different colors, stripe widths, and orientations to create endless variations. Get creative and happy designing.